Right, so we're doing crumbed whiting today. So we've got our whiting from Butcher Crowd. It's wild caught, so not farmed, so it's fresh. We like it, it's better for us. What we're going to do is coat them in our little concoction, which just consists of cassava flour, a tablespoon of that, almond flour and arrowroot flour, or 1 tablespoon, and then we have 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, pepper, cayenne pepper, dried basil, dried parsley, and zest of a lemon. So just get the outside of lemon and go for it like that, and half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of pepper as well. So mix it all up and we'll get a nice little blend. Doesn't matter if it doesn't coat overly well, but what we're going to do is fry it. I use olive oil for the frying.
Yeah, thank you for sharing one of our favourite dishes with Butcher Crowd, using the wild caught
Whiting fillets.
whiting fillets.
Yeah. Okay.
Hey, so this is the end result of the crumbed whiting fillets that my husband has completed. He's also made homemade sweet potato chips and some broccoli for dinner. But yeah, so this is what the end result looks like. They look very yummy and flavoursome. And we do them pretty much all the time like this because they taste so good. So I highly recommend, and yeah, enjoy.